Kangbo assembly video, heads and foots, line surface, back panel, doors. Separate head and foot. Connect foot end to line surface. Force or rubber hammer might be needed. Shank for upholstery to foot end. 5mm. Connect foot end. Insert head end prongs into line surface. Attach two 5mm head ends, bolts, same as foot end. Remove line surface slats if needed to connect head and foot actuators to motor system. Connect back panel. Via top prongs. 6mm screws on all four corners. Insert prong to lower section. And upper. 6mm on all four corners.